Hi guys! Hi! So since rainy season, you couldn't like go for a swim. For a swim kasi ang lakas ng agos ng waterfall. So
Hours later.
So ganito yung itsura ng place guys. Look. Oh my gosh. So nice. Tapos sa harapan niya, rice fields. I think. Kanin yan, di ba? Ko alam. Anyways. So yun yung mga standard rooms. And then may sariling passageway to like the more deluxe villas. Ayun. May sarili din pool. Later pakita ko yung pool nung ano. Nung standard rooms. So, I'm here now at Umasabatu. So, medyo rural area siya. I just stayed here for one night kasi I just wanted some alone time. So, yung maganda dito, I love it because it's so rural and ang presko. Actually, wala siyang katabing mga establishment. Sorry, oh my god, may bug. Walang kasamang establishments or anything. And then, umulan yesterday, pero okay lang, mabilis lang naman. Wow! Nice! Nice. I love it. I was tired na din so nag-stay na lang ako sa room. And then, nakinig lang ako sa midnight buong gabi. I love it. I think ito yung pinaka-relax moment in this trip. So nice. Kahit one night lang. So yung villa ko pang honeymooners. With the drapes and everything. So, tapos sabi ng girl, when I got here, yung receptionist, sabi niya, oh, alone? Yes, I'm alone. Yeah. And super dami kong in-order na food. Kasi gutom na gutom ako kagabi. I ordered spicy mee goreng, french fries, onion rings. Tapos halos nakalahati ko yung mini bar. Oh my god. Yung Sprite, nakadalawang Sprite ako, nakaisang Coke ako. Pero yung gusto ko kasi here, hindi mahal. Actually, yung stay ko here was only 660,000 rupiah, which is around 2.5. Not bad, diba? Tapos swimming ako in the morning. Nung umaga, super lamig talaga as in. Ko kinaya. And then, so swimming, aura, ganun. And then, nag-ayos na din ako ng gamit kasi I'll be going to Alas Harom to see my friend Marvy. So, nagpa-request na din ako ng what do you call this? Ng driver kasi I'll be bringing all my stuff na para di na ako pabalik-balik. Pero I think mas maganda if I stayed like 2 nights here kasi ang ganda talaga guys. Pero yung way to go here medyo mahirap lang kasi it's kinda rural. So palit ng palit yung roads. The mee goreng was so nice. Ito na siya. So good. So yung rule ko, ay nasabi ko diba? So yung rule ko every time na lalaba, napupunta sa ibang bansa, as much as possible, yung local food nila. Kasi, ano ka sa bansa nila? Ako, I really love Indonesian food. Mee goreng, nasi goreng, ano pa ba? Tapos ang dami kong na-try na bago. Soto ayam, para siyang chicken noodle soup. So nice. Pero may kasama yung rice. I think, papakita ko yun in another video. It's so good. I love it. I love the spices. Reminds me of, actually, Philippines. Filipino food. And then after Alas Harom, I will go to my hostel again in Canggu. So ayan na, party na kinakabahan ako sa beach. Sana hindi kupal yung mga kasama ko. Sorry. Bye-bye.